Yo, what's going on? It's Junior. So today I'm gonna be attempting to do a tank lift on the Breakout, the 2018 Breakout. I got these small tank lifts from Amazon. So I want to give them a try. They're actually for a Sportster 48, and I think they fit the Street Bob. They're 1.5 inches. So I think I will need to drill this hole right here to make it fit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do it on this. So this is what the bike looks before the tank lift. You see, it'll be going right here. 9/16 to remove the bolts on here, and then loosen up the back one that's underneath the seat and take the seat off. Here's a bolt right here that goes to the front of the gas tank, and it does not fit through. So I'll definitely have to be drilling out a little bit bigger. So once I do this, I'm gonna show you guys. I use a 5/16 to drill them out. So I go through now. Alright, so to install the bracket, I already did the other side, so let me show you guys. So I have this side ready. Lift it a little bit, so can't really see it too good, but I'm gonna show you how to do it on this side. So pretty much this is the right side. So you're just gonna put it here, pass it through the bottom, and you're gonna put this part underneath the gas tank bracket. Let me show you. Okay, so I just did that. So it's underneath. Once you have it underneath, you just gotta find the hole right there, put the top screw through. All right, so once you get it through, pretty much just tighten it up. I did put a little bit of Loctite. Okay, once that's tightened, I'm gonna put the bottom one as well. That's a spacer. Alright, so once you get the bracket through, you're just gonna put the washers and tighten it up. Okay, so once you tighten this up, all you gotta do is put the other nut right here, and then it should be ready. Okay, so here it is, 1.5 inch bracket. It raises up a little bit, not too much though. I think I'll give it a nice look from this angle. It's a little bit higher. Got the other side, same thing. And it just sits a little bit above. I had to get the flash on here. So that's how it sits. That's how it looks from the inside. You'll probably even buy nuts and put them on this side to secure it a little bit more. I think I might do that later on. Buy some nuts, tighten them up on this side. That's how it sits. Now, as far as the steering goes, let's try it out. It touches a little bit. It's not much, but touches on the little rubber, which it's not bad. It flexes, so should be fine. Now to the other side. Same thing, just touches the rubber. If it really bothers you, you could probably even cut it. All it's touching is this part right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the seat on. Once the seat is on, check it out. It's not much, but let me see. Oh yeah, I could definitely see how it pops a little bit more. Has a nice angle to it. And then the clearance on the cylinder is a lot more spacious back there. It allows more airflow, and therefore the engine stays a little bit cooler underneath. So that's what it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.